All right, here we go at the local supermarket. I found this stand right here, and look what I found. I'm taking these. You guys let me know if I should take them or not. But I'm taking these. 3 of them there, and they got they're fruity, I guess. Matchbox. They got the Junior Mints here. Got the Tootsie Roll Hummer. Look at that. Got the Ford Sugar Daddy Ford. Sugar Daddy Ford. We've got the Tootsie Roll Pop. Kind of like little van here going on. And let's see what else is here. AMG Coupe. And as you can see, they're 10 for 10. So they're $1 each. Alright, so we have these here. We gotta keep looking. We got the wall here. That's why I always tell you guys, check your local supermarkets. Always, dang. Always check your local supermarket, because you never know. I mean, I found the trucks, so I'm happy with that. Happy with my trucks, even though all these cars are falling off. There we go again. Check my local supermarket, and I found some interesting cars. I found some interesting cars that I like and that I am going to collect. Look at this 5-pack. This is exotics. Good stuff. Or Mustang. All right, so look at this, the Love Bug. Got a Love Bug monster truck here. Never seen that one. The Love Bug. And we got a Sky Tracker here from the super fast Matchbox. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it. However, I'm taking these. Yes, 62 Chevy pickup. Alright guys, until then guys, happy hunting. And
Yeah, right?
yep, God bless.